West, y'all. Just letting you guys know, Avengers Infinity War is out on digital download, Vudu, and Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, of course. Sorry I haven't been making videos lately. I've been back working in effect. But I'm going to hit you guys with a little something in about 2 weeks. You know, a little surprise is coming. So be tuned. And all my strikes is falling off this channel. So I don't have no more strikes thanks to quantum apotheosis. So all my strikes is officially off, all 2 strikes. So I'm back in effect. I'm good. So everybody download this Avengers Infinity War on Vudu. The hard copy will come out in about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. You'll have the hard copy, and I'll be getting that too. So if you want it today, you can download it on Vudu or any of your digital download sites. All right, y'all. West, y'all. Late.